Arjun, I was in conversation with Dinesh yesterday where he mentioned that this year hirings are going to go up, given there was a lot of attrition, a lot of job losses last year. And this is also in line with the Future of Global Future of Work 2021 Global Survey, which says that 82% employers are looking to hire this year, right? So, what is your opinion on this? How do you see the industry now?
I mean, hiring has been a perennial focus because everyone's looking at hiring primarily because everyone has attrition and people want to look at change. But hiring is one facet of the problem, and I'm going to focus on that facet. And why hiring continues to be a problem is a lot to do with the way we hire, which fundamentally, if you look at the statistics also, when you talk about the future of work and the state of talent acquisition, it's various reports are being generated primarily because of the world uh, changing its way of delivering value or creating value through steady state businesses or verticals as we know it. They're reforming, refactoring to deliver this value to their consumers, right, to their customers. And hence, the need for people within the business to help them restructure is of paramount importance, which is why I think there are two facets of it. One is the losing of your job or the job loss. Side of it is one piece of the writing on the wall that we've already read. The other is the reinvesting in hiring people, which has become the next mantra because you're trying to figure out now, based on growth that you visualize, how you could get the right people in to deliver you the outcomes that you want. So hiring is going to continue going through the roof. I mean, an economy like the US, which is, I think, investing $6 trillion in its, restructuring and rewiring, is, going to see a boom. And that's a signal to the rest of the world because they are the number one in terms of GDP, followed by China.
Mm-hmm.
And they, are looking at how they can bounce back and deliver this value post-COVID, which they're seeing real signs through, various facets of the ecosystem, right? I think the answer is that talent acquisition is going to continue seeing change because people are going to figure out how to solve the same problem in different ways because different facets of that one problem will start becoming efficient. Some facets will continue to become, or stay inefficient. And then therein lies, the ability to start looking at that opportunity and start tapping into it. Technology is only going to provide you a means to an end, right? And when I say it in a very simplified way, it's automation, it's data science, it's analysis, it's information retrieval. There's various things that are going to come in and play a part in helping people identify the right talent. Right. So I think that's where talent acquisition is, and where I think there's a huge opportunity over the next decade.
Right. And as we were discussing before this recent report by Mercer, right, it states that organizations across the spectrum take a very long time to hire. Only 20% hire within a month. The rest take a cycle of almost 3 months to fulfill a position. Now, I wanted to ask you that if you could elucidate that how Edge Recruit can solve this concern and how are organizations poised to benefit from it?
Yeah, so my theory in life is not based on, just my concept or my perception. It's about being in this domain, understanding hiring the way it is, understanding it from people who are a lot more accomplished in hiring. Like you mentioned, Dinesh from our company was, in JP Morgan Chase. He understands hiring competencies, talent acquisition, retention very well. And like that, I've met a fair few people within, our business, our customer base, to help understand what is it that we bring to the table that changes the game. It's not about search and match and AI as we know it. It's not just the science that comes to mind. It's also about helping people through a process, and that process has to get streamlined. The process has to get efficient. The process has to get very nimble, right? Simplification of this process is of paramount importance. And what happens is when users like you and I are also recruiters or working with recruiters to get a position filled based on our need, we also have to understand that as a user, as a recruiter, I'm used to an Ola, a Swiggy, an Uber, a Netflix, which is very, nimble and simplified in its ability to navigate. And that's the same user that's using a B2B application. So our effort in Edge Recruit, as with most Edge products, is to simplify these talent decisions that recruiters are trying to make on behalf of a hiring manager or a candidate who wants to, join a company, tap into an opportunity. Making that efficient, making that simplification possible through user experience across different filters that we give, across different stages of the process is really where it counts. AI is also going to compound the benefit by learning across these steps, these events, and starting to calibrate, readjust itself so that the product's starting to deliver better results through the heuristics that it picks up and some of the signals that it already has within the system. So Edge Recruit is, a great product because it's focused on the simplification. It's about the user. And the user is the recruiter, in my view, who's going to continue to deliver this value of bringing somebody on board who's very critical to performing within an organization. That process has to be simple, and it's also about delivering that automated, clear, simple set of steps to help the recruiter suddenly move from, I'm shortlisting the candidate, I'm screening the candidate, I'm going to help schedule an interview, I'm going to help, schedule an assessment, then, start the verification process. There are multiple things, and then you're doing it for, 50 people. Right? And you sort of lose your marbles at the point, because if this process can be simplified and automated in many ways so the information is available to the recruiter, then what happens, the recruiter starts diving back and giving the candidate a better experience in terms of the onboarding, the journey about understanding the position, the outcomes, and that conversation has got a lot more valuable, right? So I think Edge Recruit is focusing on making sure that the conversation between the recruiter and the candidate is very streamlined, very valuable. So the other pieces that we could automate and make easy for the recruiter to access, we have done.